Hello guys, welcome to Farid Jim. This is Farid Khan. So now I brought two topic which are constructor and destructor. Today we will discuss these two main topics of object-oriented programming. So here is a constructor and here's this one is a destructor. So there's something to know about constructor. It is a special function having same name as that of the class. Whenever you declare a class name, so the constructor name would be same as that of the function. Okay, so the number two is it is used to initialize the object of the class. So it's used for to initialize the object of the class whenever you initialize the object. So here is the class. It is initialized for class, right? So number three one is it execute automatically when the object is created, right? It means whenever you create an object, you create the object of the class, so it directly execute. No need to do anything else. So number four, they are public member. They are public. Public means they are global. They have access all over the program. And the number four, five one is it cannot be called implicitly. Here's one of the most important points here we got it. So it cannot be called implicitly. It means implicitly means default. Hud bahud, not by itself. It would not be called by itself or suddenly or accidentally, but you will call it explicitly. It means it can be called explicitly. Okay, so here we go here for destructor. So here it's also kind of one important topic in object-oriented programming. So here's also a special function having same name as that of the class. And the second one is it executes automatically when the object is destroyed. In constructor, when the object is created, it executes, but when in destructor, when the object is destroyed, it executes automatically. Okay, here we go. Has same name as that of the class, preceded by tilde symbol, right? It's same as that of constructor, but just preceded by a tilde symbol. Okay, tilde symbol would be placed before the class name, right? They are called in reverse order of constructor. For example, it is opposite to constructor. What do constructor do? They are opposite in constructor. And here's they are argument list and no return type. They do not need any arguments and have no return types. And the last one is deallocate the memory. Destructor deallocate the memory, allocate it to an object during its creation. Whenever you create an object, so there's some space, some range, some memory has been reserved to that object. So whenever you create a destructor, so it delocate the memory. So now we have to create a one program on this two topic. How do they work? How do they work in a program, in a programming language? And how do they look in a programming language? What's their main purpose? Why do we know? Why do we learn them? So here we go to write a simple program on them, right? The most important thing in a program is libraries. These are libraries. We must have to include them. We must have to declare them before every single program. Every single code. These are most important. So here we go that first of all we have to create a class, right? Here I'm gonna create a class class, what kind of class? I mean, uh, st, right? It's a class name and have no semicolon. Go down here. I want to declare a specifier public. The specifier are also most important for a program. And here now I go to I'm gonna declare a constructor, right? Constructor. How we said that the constructor name would be same as that of the class. So here we go st, and it is a constructor, and here its body. Don't forget class semicolon. And here we go. This is one. Constructor. This is a constructor. Let's write a comment. Constructor. Constructor. Right? It is a constructor, and here its body. See out. Let's print a single message. What I am a constructor. Right? It's a message, a single message. Or to create a destructor, right? And we said the name would be same as that of the class and would preceded by a tilde symbol. Here's the tilde symbol, and here's the name of the constructor, and so we have declared. Here's the destructor, right? And here we go down to declare its body. So here's the body. Um, I'm we write a message, say I'm a destructor, right? So we have we have declared both constructor and destructor. As we said that the constructor name would be same as that of the class, and we also said for the destructor that the destructor name would be same as that of the class but only preceded by a tilde symbol. Alright, now we go down to declare a main function. It's important. So here we go. In main, I want to create an object. How? The object name would be same as that of the class, and here's obj, any kind of object, right? This is an object we have just declared, and we said whenever object is created, then the constructor would be directly executed, and as well as destructor would be executed, and whenever object is created, then constructor would be executed, and whenever the object is destroyed, constructor would be destructor would be called. These are the rules that we discussed in the previous, just this one is executed and the control come out of the program. So when it comes out of the program, the end whenever the object is destroyed, the destructor has been executed automatically, and the message "I'm a destructor" would be displayed. So now let's check it out. Wait. So now let's check it out. Save it. Oop. Test and cons. Yes, I have given its name, and now I want to. There's no error. Yeah, there's no error. Let me check it out. Yeah, the message has been printed, displayed. I'm a constructor, and so we have to just whenever constructor is executed, we have to just and L simple to and the right. I'm a constructor, and Let me just bold it. He is I'm a constructor and he is I'm a destructor. So thank you so much for watching my video.